Lucy, and today we're going to be taking a tour of this incredible Rockstar suite. So many of you have been asking for cabin tours because when you actually go to book your cruise and select your cabin, it makes it easier if you can see actually what you're getting. So let's get into this tour. Oh my god, this is incredible. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Wow. This is the door that we just came through, and then directly as you come in, we've got wardrobes here. So in the wardrobe, we have 4 life jackets because this room can sleep 4, which I'll go through in a minute. So 4 drawers, 1 safe, 4 life jackets, and loads of hangers. Then turning to our right, we have a beautiful full-length mirror and a dressing table. And of course, we have plug sockets over the dressing table. And in this top drawer, we have a hairdryer and the remote control for the television. These black drawers underneath are empty. And this is one of my favourite parts. So we have a bar area here. Now this bar is going to be full of liquor that you have requested. Currently this cabin is empty. We have an ice bucket, obviously 2 water jugs. And then here we have a record player and Never Mind the Bollocks. Now, I actually mentioned this in my other tour video, but this album was the album that basically shot Virgin Vinyl to fame. And when I spoke to Richard Branson, he said that if it wasn't for that album, we would not be on this ship today. So in this end drawer, these are push drawers by the way, we have a selection of amazing glasses so you can drink your cocktails in style. And then the 2 drawers next to the glasses are completely empty and they're huge. So underneath here, we of course have a fridge, which again will be stocked with drinks that you request. And again, we have 3 drawers. Oh, it's a bit hard to see, but again, we have 3 drawers that are completely empty. So going over here now, we have a little lounge area. But basically this sofa can be turned into a double bed. So yes, this cabin can sleep 4 quite comfortably. But just in case there's the 2 of you, it's a lovely lounge sofa area. Now going around to the best bit, the master double bed. This is just absolutely exquisite. And as you can see, either side of the bed, there are bedside tables, 2 USB sockets, a plug, and then lights to control all the lights in the room. And then you also have a little night light there, the gold ones. And going around again, we have the television straight here, which can be controlled with the iPad, which is just by the side of the bed. But now let's take a look at the bathroom, which is on the right just as you walk in. Woohoo, yes. So we have a full length mirror on the bathroom door, so you're not all fighting for this one if there is 4 of you in the room. And then of course we have the beautiful marble flooring, we have the double sink, and then we can walk through to the separate toilets. Now this shower is absolutely insane. So you have a peekaboo window that looks out onto the room, but they cannot see in, you can only see out. And then you have the choice to do a hose shower, or of course you've got your rain shower. And then you've got beautiful red flower products in here. So you have a towel rail that runs along the whole bathroom, and then the controls for the shower are just here. We've got 2 robes here, but I'm sure that you can request more if there are 4 people staying in here. And then you have your lovely makeup towels. And now I think it's time to take a look at the balcony. So out here you've got your 2 chairs and a table, but you could easily fit 4 chairs out here. But look how long this balcony is. It's absolutely huge. There's definitely room for 4 of you to sit out here. And then of course you've got your hammock at the end. And you do actually have 2 double doors, so you could have them both open if you wanted to. It's the small details, isn't it? Like how this isn't just squared off, it's rounded off. And how the bed is on a slight angle, and the carpet, like how the carpet starts and begins. It's just stunning. And this little sofa area is beautiful. And you've just got so much floor space. which is just lovely. And a big, beautiful balcony. But yeah, guys, so this is the Rockstar Suite, and it is just incredible. Okay guys, so that is the tour of the Rockstar Cabin. I really hope that you found this helpful. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, please press that thumbs up because it really helps me out with the algorithm. And if you haven't already, please press subscribe, and for those of you who are subscribed, I really appreciate it. But anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you decide to do. Please let me know in the comments if you are going to be booking the Rockstar Cabin for your next cruise. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.